Hello Jim, TechBuzz, new product in from Edifier CC200 wireless mono headsets. So you got your Bluetooth, 64 hours of battery life by the looks of it there. On the back, 2 microphone technology, phone call noise cancellation, 30mm composite diaphragm drivers, and that's it. So we'll take off the plastic and get inside and see what they look like. So you have got a detachable ear pad as well, stainless steel headband and rotatable microphone boom, available for wearing on left and right, which is pretty good compared, most of them are fixed. So that's basically it on the box and everything you're going to see there, but we're going to go through the rest and all that kind of stuff in the full review. This is just a quick unboxing and tour, as these are just new and available more widely now. So that's pretty much it there. So also you've got DNN noise cancellation technology with an AI algorithm which brings you high quality calls as well. So it sounds like a pretty feature packed headset. So that's what it looks like in there. We just have our USB-A, USB-C cable, and there is no branding on it there. So we get rid of this. And let's see what else we get in the package. So we've a little bag of goodies in the back and the headset there. Okay, so what do we get here as extras? So you have got inside here an extra pad, and that's it in your booklets and all that, how to use it, but we'll be going through all that ourselves with the full review. So we'll just place all them together. And this is the headset itself here. So you can see you've got your power button here. This moves up and down and it's notched so you can feel it as it goes down. It's got a nice shiny finish on it there, and that's pretty much it there. You got the Edifier branding here on this side, and this also extends here, and of course you've got Edifier branding there as well, which is nice. So that's your pad there. So it's just a very lightweight pad. The headset itself is quite light, and you've got your USB-C port here on the bottom, and here is some controls on the actual headset itself as well, which is pretty good, and that's perfectly fine there with buttons on them, nice and clicky and tactile. Just get a closer look, and there is the power button up on top there. So you got Bluetooth 5.0. The Bluetooth profiles are AV, RCP, HFP and A2DP. Your distance is 10 meters, which is pretty much average, and charging time is about an hour and a half, so that's not bad. And your nominal impedance is 32 ohms and sensitivity is 97 decibels. So let's see if there's any power. And yes, there is, and you see you've got a nice light there which changes colour, and that's pretty much it for a first look. And you can see there how it works. Simply slides up and slides down, and that's pretty much it for now. So we're going to test it out, see what the call quality is like and all that, and what else you can use it for. If you can listen to music on the go or whatever the case is. As I like to do, we kind of combine both if possible, so I don't have to be switching headsets. So we'll see how that works out, given it is only one-sided, but you know, still makes a difference. So any questions, feel free to hit us up over next week or two while we test these out on techbuzzurn.com. And that's another clicky button there too, so that's for your calls and that's for your pairing. So that'll be about it for now, and stay tuned for a full review. As always, you can see there is some movement here, so it's not fixed as well, so it should fit comfortably on anyone's head, and that'll be it. So any questions, drop them below and we'll talk to you soon on techbuzzurn.com, and fire away if you need to know anything, or if you've missed that in the unboxing, which I don't think we have. That's all we can tell you at the moment. How we find out next is how they sound and how they operate and all the features that are on board. Talk to you next video. We'll see you soon on techbuzzurn.com.